I got to the NBA, I realized I done made my career off of using the ball screen. You can manipulate a ball screen any way you want to, but one of the biggest things in playing in the ball screen is being able to shoot the ball. If I'm playing against a team and I know that they're going under the ball screen, what I'm going to do is I'm not going to get the ball screen set right here. You know what I mean? Unless you're playing with a really good player that knows how to set it at a good angle. If I know he's going under the ball screen, I'm going to square him up and I'm going to get him as low as I want him. I'm going to get him as low as I want him. If he go under a screen here, this is a lot easier shot than way out there, right? Some teams you'll see, even if I get this guy here, now if we come to the ball screen and you try to go under, that's a much easier shot. But what he was talking about earlier as far as definitely when you get up to the NBA and even in college, they'll tell you, a lot of times they body you up. You know what I mean? So what he's talking about earlier is if a guy tries to body me up, a lot of times I'll bounce off of him, get that space between us, you know, now I'm square. And the thing is, when you square in the ball screen, if I'm going this way and I cross my feet over, I can't shoot it. You know what I mean? Unless you're really, really good, you can shoot the ball like that. But as long as I got my feet here, if he's trying to get over the screen, I might be able to cross back over, push out, and go.